Sometimes doing absolutely nothing feels incredible. Just lying on the couch, binging a show, maybe scrolling through your phone. It's the ultimate guilty pleasure. But have you ever wondered why some people seem naturally lazy while others can't sit still for 5 minutes? Is there such a thing as a lazy gene? Our bodies are designed to seek out rewards, things that feel good, like eating, sex, and yes, even exercise. That's thanks to a chemical called dopamine, a key player in the brain's reward system. It motivates us to do things that help us survive and thrive. For some, hitting the gym can actually light up the brain the same way a tasty meal or flirty text might. But for others, the couch wins every time. To explore this, scientists turned to mice. They bred two groups, one that loved running on a wheel and one that, well, didn't. Over several generations, something fascinating happened. The active mice became even more active, running significantly farther than their lazy cousins. And when researchers looked into their brains, the go-getter mice had more responsive dopamine systems, especially in areas tied to motivation and habit. Their brains were wired to crave movement. It wasn't just preference, it was biology. This suggests some of us might be hardwired for more activity, or less. There's even evidence that a certain gene mutation affects dopamine receptors linked to energy and drive. When this receptor isn't working properly, the brain doesn't get the same reward buzz from movement. So sitting still feels way more appealing. But before you blame your DNA and sink deeper into the couch cushions, there's good news. Environment matters too. Things like your daily routine, sleep, diet, and mindset all influence motivation. Yes, genes may set the stage, but your choices can still rewrite the script. So if you feel lazy, you're not broken or doomed. You might just have to push a bit harder to get started, but once you do, your brain will catch on. That first workout, that short walk, even a stretch break, it all adds up and rewires your reward system. Want a boost? Start small. Trick your brain with tiny wins. Hit subscribe and like button for more science that helps you hack your brain and maybe even get off the couch.